Hey, Chef and Chefettes.
What up, Guan YouTube?
Oh, I didn't even know you could do that.
Yeah, man.
Oh.
We are back.
Back with another. Oh, I wanted to.
No.
I wanted to.
Stop. Tell them what we cooking. Get straight to the point.
I wanted to
Stop.
dread your beard.
What the hell I look like?
A Rasta man. It goes with your accent.
Shreds in my beard?
It goes with your accent.
That's not a Rasta man. That's a jackass.
Well, it goes with your accent.
Come on. You're encroaching in my space. Give me a little space. All up in my space. Yeah, man.
I'm sorry, Mom.
Irie. Shoot. Damn.
Alright, guys. So today we're going to make some bake.
Frybake! Yes! Fluffy. It's your turn. You know, we're going to throw some adjectives out there. You got to continue. Fluffy.
Delicious.
Soft. Alright, that's it, guys. So when we come back, we're going to show you guys how to make a delicious, fluffy, and soft fried bake.
You forgot
So when we come back, it's about to go down.
I'm back with all the ingredients you guys are going to need to make fried bake. So make sure you pay attention because these ingredients are important, alright? So, first things first, you need...
Bomba clock.
Bro, you're not going to be interrupting my scene because when it's your turn, I'm going to dance. Butt naked. You want to do that?
They're going to flag this video.
Right.
Yeah.
So don't interrupt my scene.
They're going to flag this video.
Good.
I want to see you dancing butt naked.
They do.
No, you don't. Lost 3 subscribers instantly.
Alright guys, listen. So first, we need some salt. Not too much salt, alright? So we're going to put a quarter, just a little pinch really, teaspoon of salt. We have some yeast here. Okay, we're just going to use half a teaspoon of yeast, some baking powder, one teaspoon of baking powder. We have all vegetable shortening. I don't even know, can y'all see this?
Yeah, we can see it. Shortening.
I like this brand.
Crisco.
I like Crisco, guys. I don't know, there is other brands, but we prefer Crisco. Get yourself some Crisco. And right next to it, we have the same amount of butter, okay? I just put it next to y'all know what butter looks like.
How much butter?
1 tablespoon
of
each, okay? 1 tablespoon of Crisco, 1 tablespoon of butter. All vegetable shortening, 1 tablespoon of butter. And in this beautiful bowl, we have 3 cups of flour, all-purpose flour. Any brand is fine. You're gonna need 1 cup of warm water, not cold water, not boiling hot, warm water, very important.
Very important. The warm water will activate the yeast.
Yes. And oil. You can't fry, bake without some oil. Alright guys?
Bomba clock!
That's 2 for 2, bruh.
Yep.
2 for 2. So, when we come back, we're going to show you guys that we're going to put all of these ingredients in the bowl and we're going to show you how we're going to use this water slowly in the bowl to activate that yeast. So make sure you stay with us for the next step.
What's up, chefs and chefettes? We're back. Now we're going to show you the next step of kneading the dough. So first thing, I'm gonna take our flour, I'm gonna add our salt, our yeast, our baking powder, our shortening and butter. I'm gonna add all that in to the mixture. Now, the next step is to add the water and start kneading your dough. All right, I'm gonna leave that up to you, boo. Go ahead.
I get the messy part, huh?
That's your middle name.
I am not messy.
Now,
Guys, so as we mix this together, it's so important. The warm water I told you about. You have to add this slowly, a little bit at a time. Okay? And you just mix it. Break up that shortening and the butter slowly. And it's gonna look like, as you're mixing it, the butter and the shortening is gonna form like little peas. Like little pea shapes. That's normal. As you go, keep adding a little bit of water. What you got there? Got any for me?
I'm watching you.
Oh, I thought you had a little something for me.
No, nothing for you.
It's crazy. All right.
Back to work.
What the hell?
Yeah, back to work.
I will beat you. I can beat you, as I can multitask.
What's new?
Guys, so this kneading should take about 5 minutes. It doesn't take long. And towards the end, you will form a little ball. It should be nice and smooth.
Balls.
Not balls. Not balls. A ball. One ball. All right? One whole ball.
Back to work.
One ball. Okay? One ball. Then, after that's done, we're going to let it sit for about 45 minutes because we want that yeast to rise. So important. What are you always up to no good,
I'm watching you. You're doing a good job. Keep up the great work, babe. Keep up the great work.
How about you put that glass down and pour in the water for me? How about that? Not that. You ever get beat on camera?
Okay. Good. We all know that. We all know the answer to that. Mm-hmm. We all know the answer.
So
to
much.
That. We all know the answer to that. Why get
So much. You're my favorite person
That
in
was
the
a
whole
joke.
entire world.
Let me pour that water.
Please, please.
Sure.
Thank you.
More?
No, you just poured some.
So how many bakes should we expect to get from the measurement
10
that you
to
gave?
12.
10 to 12 from this? Do you need more water?
Not yet.
Okay.
10 to 12. 10 to 12.
I'm not yet.
How many am I going to eat? Just 2.
I'm gonna have one. You need
One
more,
too many?
You need
Yes,
more water?
please. 1 too many. Alright guys, so it's almost 5 minutes. So what I'm gonna do here is just mold it into a ball, alright?
Ooh. Don't be doing that on camera. I'm not eating. I'm not eating. You over there. You got a hairball? Something not right. What's not right? You got fever?
I'm not sure.
You want me to call an ambulance?
Yes, I need a vacation anyway.
911?
Come get me. Alright guys, so look. Sitting it in a little ball, alright? I'm going to cover this. We're going to cover this with a wet, moist rag. We're going to let this sit for about 45 minutes because we need this yeast that's in here to rise, okay? So when we come back, we're going to show you what it looks like and what's the next step. The next step will be we're going to break it up and show you how to do that. So stay tuned. Hey, Chef and Chefettes, we're back with the next step. And in the meantime, while we were away, we took the dough, the bake that rose, okay? We broke it up into little sections. I put 4 here so you guys can see. Ooh, can you see? Covered it up, sectioned it off, Let it roast for 15 more minutes after I rolled it up into, started off as little golf ball sizes, okay? So you take the big ball that rolls, you break it up into as many pieces as you can, 10 pieces, 5 pieces. You roll it up into golf ball sizes, all right? Put it on parchment paper, cover it up with a moist rag again for another 15 minutes, and it'll let rise. Then you take each one, you put a little bit of oil on your clean countertop, as I already did, some vegetable oil that we're frying with. Put some on your fingertips. Take your thing, start from the middle out, and we're gonna pull apart. All right? Just like this. I'm not gonna show you every single one, guys. Probably show you maybe 1 or 2. Right, so my oil's already hot. Put your oil medium to high flame. Hot, heat. All right? And we're gonna cook this for about 3 minutes. We're gonna keep flipping it. And in here I have 2 cups of oil. Put it down. Let me get a fork. My big head in the way.
Yep.
Boop! But y'all love my big head. You love my big head?
Get back to cooking.
Do you love my big head? Oh.
Sing again. See what happens. I will drop the camera.
Bro.
Back to cooking.
Stop
please.
it. So while this one is frying, I'm going to do another one. Taking another one in a little section of oil, putting it here. My fingers still have oil. Just going to, on both sides, spread it out, okay?
Okay.
Make sure you pay attention to the one that's in the pan. You don't want it to burn. Pay attention. And you don't want this to be too flat. As soon as it's in here really quick, don't burn yourself. Flip it over. Look how nice it is. Ooh, that thing hot. Look how nice and golden that looks. You see that?
Yep.
Mmm.
You can see it.
See that? And all you need, when it comes out, you need a plate, paper towel. Get a good look at that. Get in there.
We saw it.
Get in there. Paper towel, and when it comes out, we're just gonna damp the oil off, and it's gonna be good to go.
Fried bake, you guys.
And it can go with anything. Shark, cheese, butter, or just like that.
Oh yeah, get your fried bake.
What you like to eat it with, babe?
I like to eat it with some Trinidad cheese, melted,
So
a little bit of butter. Oh.
You sound hungry. You're always hungry.
So guys, stay tuned for the next step.
Stay tuned for the next step, guys. But that's about it. Look. Let me show you. And that's it. Look how golden and beautiful.
Show them. We can't see back here.
Listen, I ain't trying to burn my hand.
Put it in a plate and show us the damn bake.
Ooh, let me put this one in.
Show us the bake. There you have it.
There you have it, guys. And that's it. And I'm going to do this, the same exact step for all the rest of them. And then when we're done, we're going to show you the finished product and what it looks like. So make sure you stay tuned. We'll be right back, all right? Let me just finish this up. Hey, guys. We're back with the finished product, as you can see. You didn't even show them before you even start eating it, Fatty. What are you eating? What are you eating, Fatty?
My mom said don't talk with your mouth full.
Anyway, guys, so as you can see, the fried bake is done, and I guess he likes it. You said you was gonna taste one bite. I shouldn't. He will never again hold the finished product of what we cooking. Never. Ever again.
Guys, make these bakes.
Why your butt is all in my space? Why is it in my...
Guys, make these bakes.
Can you show them what to make? You so greedy.
I see them.
Show them. Give me the plate. Guys, I apologize in
Guys,
advance.
make these bakes.
I'm so
All
sorry.
right, let me give you a quick little piece.
I'm so sorry.
Y'all see that? Make it. Soft, delicious, fluffy bakes.
Can I have...
No. That's it, guys. What more can we say? Make these bakes. They are banging. Oh, I didn't offer you a piece. Here, come here. Give me a little piece. Side.
Give me the damn bake.
Oh, shoot.
Right.
I hope you choke.
It's banging.
I hope you choke. All right, guys. That's it. Make these bakes. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to our video.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they really good. You did good.
I'm not big one.
All right, and we are